Hi there. Today I'm sharing a portion of my workday. I typically only have an hour or two to work on my reselling business, so I thought I would share how I get things done in a short time frame. I start off by writing down my intentions for the day. Although I may have a huge list in my head, I take the time to write down what I need to do versus what I want to do. I prioritize my list and select a few items to tackle. By doing this, I keep myself from getting overwhelmed and can have a more productive day. In my 10 tips video, I recommended utilizing the SMART goals method. Make your intentions specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely, which is exactly what I'm doing today. After I have decided what goals I will tackle today, I write it down on my Expo board. You are 50% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. That percentage increases if you place them in an area where you can see them. Now I can get started. I decided to photograph 5 sweaters today. Although that may seem like a lower amount for some of you, that is a more realistic goal for me to have considering the amount of time I have to work on my reselling business today. I store my sweaters in a large tote at the very top of my closet. Now it's time to set up Rosie, my mannequin. She sits in a huge Lazy Susan that I thrifted. To save on memory in my phone, I do use my Sony camera and my thrifted tripod to take my pictures. When I take my pictures, I am looking to get all the great angles that a buyer would like to see. I am currently visualizing someone wearing the item that I selected. I feel like this puts out good vibes and helps attract a buyer for this beautiful item. Now that all items are photographed, it's time to clean up. I try to clean up directly after I have completed a task, or the mess will stay in the middle of my office for days. I recently took some items to Buffalo Exchange, which was pretty much a waste of my time and energy. They did take 5 items, but the payout was just not worth it. I started out the day intending to donate whatever wasn't selected at Buffalo Exchange, but I changed my mind and decided that I wanted to give them one final chance during my quarterly sale. So I'm putting them back into their Ziploc bags. These items were previously in several totes, so I'm using my barcode scanner to transfer the items into this pink tote. The app I'm using here is called Tote Scan. I did do a video all about this, which I'll link up in the cards for you and down in the description. Here you can see how simple the process is. I just scanned the item's barcode, which I created, and scanned the tote scan label of this pink tote. Now it's time for the final cleanup. Because I love my space so much, I want everything to be back in its place. And that is it, my friends. All goals accomplished for the day. I encourage you to plan out a relaxing workday ahead. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'm wishing you a wonderful, wonderful sales week and lots of sales days ahead.